This is your host, Dr. Tulipo Mwenfumbo, and I want us to start this course on criminal law for paralegal counselors. Now, I want us to know that in Zambia or in Africa, the formation of paralegal counselors has not been so much pronounced and has not been so much promoted. But I want us to look at some of the courses that we can look at as paralegals, and what we can do as paralegals to help the people that cannot afford legal fees. How can we be able to help the communities? Remember, the paralegal is a person that understands a bit of law and can be able to help somebody who doesn't know about law, or how to stand in court, or how to present a case in court. So we want to take up this time to understand this and to teach and to learn on how we can be able to look at some of these things as paralegal counselors. So today we want to start the course entitled Criminal Law for Paralegal Counselors. I am your host, Dr. Tulipo Mwenfumbo, once again. Now, what is the course description? So when we look at this course, we are going to look at the general purpose of the course is to introduce learners to the principles and historical foundation of criminal law, and link it to the relevant work of a paralegal counselor. So it is, number one, it's to introduce you as the paralegal counselor, and also to the principles and the historical foundation of criminal law, and how you can apply it as a paralegal counselor. So that is the purpose of this course. Now, what is expected of you as a learner, or what are the learning expectations? So, by the end of this course, you as the learner, you are supposed to be able to describe the general principles of criminal law, and you should be able to distinguish between crime, tort, and other wrongdoings in law. So the law has got different departments. Now we are talking about there is a criminal, the tort, and other wrongdoings. So as a person that is as a paralegal counselor, you must be able to distinguish between the criminal offenses, tort, and other wrongdoings. So the other thing that you need to, we want you to understand in this course is to distinguish the different types of offenses in law. What are the different types of offenses in law? That is what we want to look at. Then, what are the contents? What are we going to look at? So we are going to look at the definition, introduction and definition of criminal law. Then we are going to look at the general principles and characteristic of criminal law. We are going also to look at the foundation and the foundation of criminal law, and we are going to also to look at the distinction between crime and other misdeeds. Then we are going to look at liability, burdens, and standard of proof in criminal law. Then we are going to look at criminal response to offenses. Then we also look at the general defenses that can be done. I will also conclude from this course. We will also look at the other course, which is court proceedings and litigation in criminal law, but it is going to be a separate course. So I believe you are going to enjoy this course. You can join me in the next class. This is your host, Dr. Tulipo Mwenfumbo.